Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of resetting your Aigital Wi-Fi extender. Whether you're experiencing connectivity issues or simply want to restore the device to its default settings, this step-by-step guide will make it easy to reset and start fresh. Let's get started. Resetting the Aigital Wi-Fi extender restores it to factory settings, which is useful if you're facing connectivity issues, forgot your login credentials, or need to set it up on a new network. A reset clears any previous configurations, allowing you to troubleshoot or start fresh with the device. To begin, ensure that your Aigital Wi-Fi extender is securely plugged into a power outlet and switched on. Wait for the power indicator light to stop blinking and remain steady. It's important that the extender is fully powered and functioning properly before proceeding with the reset process to avoid any interruptions. Now, find the reset button on your Aigital Wi-Fi extender. This is typically a small pinhole button, located either on the side or bottom of the device. You'll need a paperclip, pin, or other small pointed object to press it. Ensure the tool fits properly to avoid damaging the button. With your paperclip or pointed object, press and hold the reset button for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. As you maintain pressure on the button, observe the indicator lights on the extender. They will begin to blink. This blinking signifies that the reset process is actively taking place. After you release the reset button, the Aigital Wi-Fi extender will automatically initiate a reboot. This process typically takes 1 to 2 minutes. During this time, you may notice the indicator lights cycling off and on as the extender works to restore its original factory settings. After the reboot, the extender will be reset to its original factory settings. To verify, go to your device's Wi-Fi settings and check for a network named Aigital or similar, which indicates that the reset was successful. You can now go through the setup process again as if it's brand new. If you experience any problems or need help, our team of experts is ready to assist you. Don't hesitate to reach out at 323-471-3045 for support and advice. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Aigital Wi-Fi extender. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.